Hey guys, I'm Young. I'm right by the stream. I had been wondering how low can Mavic Mini fly? Right above water. I do like flying low because it gives that sort of dynamic feel of the drone, and I do like flying by the sea because it usually doesn't interfere with people, buildings, cars and so on. So sort of combining the two, I know it's not recommended to fly above water very low because the water, it reflects like signal and so on. So do not do it, but today I can try this out because it is freezing and we do have ice. Ice, water, it is in, different physical form, but let's experiment, why not? You guys are not experimenting, I'm experimenting my drone. So just enjoy watching. That's not enough, let's get lower. Cannot go lower. So I'm actually pushing it down to just fly, but it wouldn't go lower. You see? So I'm trying to put the drone down, but then the landing sensor is definitely recognizing the ice and not going any further. So the drone stopped at just above my knee level. So that's about 50 centimeter or 20 inch. So that would be the minimum height that the drone can fly in. But of course, I'm not recommending you guys to go out, fly low, just above water. That's definitely not recommended, but it was kind of fun trying it out. Do try to fly low, especially when you're above land, not water. You can really maximize that dynamic movement of the drone, which gives you that fun, cool footage. Never flown above ice. That was a fun experience, and I'll see you!